bad song. Let's see my breakfast this morning. So I have peaches flavor. I don't really like peaches, but the box that I bought, I had varieties of flavor in there. So today I decided to try this one. I mean, I want apple, so I'm gonna put some apple water. Mix it. Cover it for 10 minutes. Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is Annie K. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So today is April 12th and I'm just watching my apple. I just did my oatmeal is not ready yet. 19 natural. Sandwich, no? What sandwich? My sandwich. You can't see it already, that will be. Also, main bite. Oh, I got my phone bill today. I'll be sweet and nice, no? My oatmeal is good. It's creamy. It's creamy oatmeal. So, now look. It tastes good. And I'm like I said, I'm not really a big fan of peach. It tastes good. Yeah, so my diet gonna be consist of fruits, vegetables, smoothies, no carbs. Well, the brown rice, no bread, not even wheat bread. I'm trying to look good for my birthday. This is so freaking good. I got it from Walmart. Oh yeah, it's Easter, right? The banana cheese it. I'm gonna go tomorrow and get it. Get some tasty cheese and the Nationality bun. This was so freaking good. I'm surprised how good it was. And did y'all see the pictures Rihanna posted this morning? No. I think it looks good. It's the best pregnancy pictures, hands down. I don't care what nobody say. Yep, they're a little better than Beyonce's. Beyonce, don't get me wrong, Beyonce's video was fire too, but come on. Ree came through with these pics. Period. I'm trying to be thick, but slim at the same time. I'm trying to be slim thick, like really slim thick. I don't want my butt. I don't like my stomach is pudgy. That's why I eat rice and flour, bread. I gotta start eating healthier. Wheat bread only do so much, but it's still carbs, so it still make your stomach feel kind of weird. But that's why I said next month I'm cutting that shit out. Oh gosh, people outside. Why cheap? Oh, look at eyewitness news right there. Something crazy happened in Brooklyn this morning, y'all. 10 people got shot on a train, on the R train. Like, that's crazy. Like, imagine you go on a train, you want to go to work or wherever, school, wherever, and this one person with the devil take over. Do some shit like that. For me, declare my heart. I'm gonna be ready. Oh yeah, I'm right here. About to get some lunch from Chick-Fil-A. A long time I didn't eat Chick-Fil-A. Not last year, the year before. There's a car coming. What am I saying? Yeah, I'm gonna see. I'm gonna try something new though. I always do the same thing. I'm gonna try something. I don't know what I'm gonna get. I want something different though. I'm trying the mac and cheese. I never had the mac and cheese before. Grilled chicken. I never had the grilled chicken before. I never had the spicy chicken before. Damn, this spicy deluxe meal is $12. I think I'm gonna try this spicy deluxe. I think I'm going to Wendy's. Them too pricey for me. They're really pricey in here though, for real. Hi.
Card or Apple Pay? Next just pay with card or Apple Pay.
The number 2? The deluxe.
Hi, can I get the...
I'm going to get the mac and cheese. I'm going to get the mac and cheese. I'm good. Alright, let's start. Let me get this shot of mac and cheese.
You want a side of mac and cheese?
Yeah.
Okay.
Long time I haven't had Chick-Fil-A in so long. Oh god. So, sauce. I'm gonna eat. Oh, mac and cheese. Onion sauce and we look. We're gonna try. I wanna try this first. We got pepper jack cheese. Honestly, I've never had that. I don't think I've had pepper jack cheese. I don't know. I eat regular cheese. The American cheese. I don't like all them fancy cheese, but I'm gonna try it with this and see. I'm putting a Chick-Fil-A sauce on there. I don't want to taste the cheese. I'm still gonna taste it, but yeah. I'm gonna show you the mac and cheese. Have a look. It smells good, but does it taste good? Oh, the sauce. Very good. I like it. It's not that spicy. Well, there's spice to it, but not spicy. It's good. Alright, I'm trying to snap my mouth. I'm looking at Polynesian because then that's the lemonade tastes real, like real lemonade. I think this is real lemonade, right?
Ready? He's gonna finish up the break, okay?
Okay. creamy. Alright. Not that bad. But, I love the Polynesian sauce. That's my favorite one. The Chick-Fil-A one is good too, but I tried the onion mustard too. But the Polynesian one is the best to me. My opinion. Let me get some here. Ooh, look at that. Oh yeah, that was, I'm sorry. I don't think I'll be buying mac and cheese again. It's not bad, but it's okay. Buy it again. I wouldn't. I'm finish the sandwich because it's giving. It's giving, honey. Ooh. It's weird. I'm not a big fan of tomato, but I get it. Because good for you. That is bread. Better mash up. Oh, my bread is falling apart though. I won. Ciao. Okay, it's getting a little spicy now.
Underway, you can feel my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream for air breathe, and wash me over until my will.
It's good. I like it. I'm definitely about it today. I have 10 minutes left for break.